Guys, I'm back. I got a quick update. Also, I need some advice. So, got a CSF radiator. And I also got these OEM hoses with the STi logo. Here's the bottom one. I also got that Killer B high flow water pump housing. And lastly, I got this Fluidampr. Yeah, the engine's pretty much done with the first phase, I guess. After this first phase, it would be power upgrades, but I'm not gonna do power yet until I get my interior done. The only thing that I still want to do on the engine is guys, like I was saying, the thing I want to do on the engine still is for sure the Killer B pickup and baffle. I don't know if I want to get an oil pan because I'm not tracking the car. I don't like that the Killer B one takes away some ground clearance, same with the IAG. And I don't like that the competition ones have those little rubber gates to let oil come in but not go out. They probably won't fail, but I'm just paranoid about them failing. I do like the Roger Clark pan, but that one does have a couple of those rubber gates. And I do like the Killer B one, but again, I don't like that it takes away some ground clearance. But there's a big part of me that wants to just get a new oil pan if I'm gonna have to remove the pan anyways to put the baffle and pickup in. So let me know what pan you guys recommend. I'm between the Roger Clark Killer B street one, not the one with the rubber gates, I don't know what they're called, or just keeping the OEM one. But I'm gonna do the rear diff flush. This video is not about that, but I wanted to show you guys the suspension since I have the car lifted from the rear end. So here's the sway bar. It's a 20mm one. Struts, springs, lower control arms. Oh, let me get under here better. Here's the tow arm. Here's this one. Sorry guys, it's hard to see with the lines right there. And there's the trailing arm. Where is the STi logo? Let me show you guys. I should have raised the car up a little higher. It's kind of hard to see, guys, but there it is, corner. Also want to change this bushing one day. Yeah, just a better look at the struts, guys, and springs. Yeah. Anyways, guys, yeah, the engine is pretty much done except for the oil pan setup. For the suspension, I still need to do that trailing link bushing that I showed you guys earlier, and also the end link bushings and the upper control arm bushings, but I can only find one bushing on the control arm, the rear upper control arms, but I think there's two. So plus they're kind of a pain to get to. I might get the Cusco control arms, but probably not, just because those have rubber bushings, and I know the Cusco rubber is harder than OEM, so it's kind of like Group N. because I don't want to get any poly bushings. And then for the front suspension, I need to do the front control arm bushings and the sway bar bushings. These sway bar bushings right here, they didn't have any group N ones. They had group N ones, but they were for a smaller sway bar. I think a 18, but this is a 20, so I just used the OEM ones. There's mosquitoes everywhere. Yeah, guys, just wanted to update you. Just got the CSF radiator with the STi hoses, Killer B high flow water pump housing, and the Fluidampr. Guys, I've been driving with the Fluidampr almost 2 weeks, and it does change the car. The idle is a lot more, it's not quieter, it just sounds more stable and peaceful, if that makes sense. When you're cruising on the freeway or whatever, just the cruise is so much smoother. Just the car just feels happier overall. So definitely recommend it. The car sounds, you can hear the exhaust a lot more clearly. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like you only hear exhaust now, and you can still hear the engine, don't get me wrong, but just the exhaust sounds just more pure, if that makes sense. But yeah, see you guys later. Let me know what you guys think about what oil pan I should get, and also if you have any recommendations for front control arms, because all the ones that I'm seeing are poly, so I think I might just have to get the group N bushings, even though there's only the front inner bushing, and there's a ball joint too, but then there's some spherical ones that go in the rear of the front control arm, but those are like 800 bucks each, so I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, see you guys later.